Hi, my beginning readers. I missed you. It's Miss Tracy here with another book with our word of the week. That's right, bed. Let's spell it. B-E-D. That's right, bed. When we say the word in my story, when you hear it, you can press bed. Let's take a look at it. It's one of our favorites. Pete the Cat. Pete the Cat and the Bedtime Blues. Let's open the book and turn the page. Pete and the gang had a great day. They'd been at the beach. Surf and sun and tons of fun. Turn the page. When the sun went down, they didn't want the fun to end. Pete had an idea. Turn the page. Hey, how about a sleepover? More time for tons of fun. Groovy. Pete's place, let's go. Turn the page. The party was far out, but they couldn't stay up all night. The gang decided it was time to say goodnight and turn the page. On went the pajamas and out went the light. Good night, Gus. Good night, Alligator. Good night, Toad. Good night, Pete. And turn the page. Pete was just about to catch some Z's when, clap, clap, clap. Who did that? Pete asked. It was me, said Grumpy Toad. I don't want to go to bed. I want to clap instead. Pete covered his head. Turn the page. This cool cat needs to go to bed. There's our word of the week. Good night, Gus. Good night, Alligator. Good night, Toad. Good night, Pete. Time to sleep. Turn the page. Pete tried again to catch some Z's when rat-a-tat-tat. Who did that? Asked Pete. It was me, said Gus the platypus. I don't want to go to bed. I want to jam instead. Pete covered his head. This cool cat needs to go to bed. Time to sleep. Turn the page. Good night, Gus. Good night, Alligator. Good night, Toad. Good night, Pete. Pete closed his eyes to catch some Z's when he heard... Let's turn the page. Munch, munch, munch. Pete had a hunch. It was the alligator. He's always up for eating. What could Pete do? Let's turn the page. All the clapping, rat-a-tat-tatting, and munching was giving him the bedtime blues. Pete had a groovy idea. Let's turn the page. He got out his favorite bedtime story and started to read. First to himself, then to the gang. Let's turn the page. Pete noticed it was finally quiet. No more clapping, no more rat-a-tat-tatting, and no more munching. Turn the page. They all settled down and no one made a sound. Let's turn the page. Pete yawned and turned off the light. Good night, sleep tight. Time to catch some Z's. Well, it looks like everybody's falling asleep. Tomorrow was another day for surfing, sun, and tons of fun. Turn the page. The end. Hope you enjoyed my book with Pete the Cat. I'll see you soon.